Hello, I am Mohammad Hassan, a user experience designer from past 15 years. Today, I'm going to share with you a very simple tip which most of the developers or some of the beginner designers they don't understand, which is using pitch black or black color in your designs. So I have few designs I'm going to share with you. So first I'm going to share with you my design. This is my firm's website. I designed it using Figma, and you can go to that or visit my website, prodesign.tech. Anyhow, the URL will be over here. Anyhow, so you can see this is the main heading, and if you look at it, it is not a black color. So let's try to open something over here. So you can see this is actually a green color, dark greenish blue. So this is where it is. So it has hue of 184 187, saturation 84, and 20% the brightness, which is very low, just to make it dark. Similarly, for this text, you can see it is also green because green is the theme for this website, or my main color, or my main, I would say, brand color is green. So that is why you can see in all the headings, I am using a dark green, like you can see over here, rather than a pitch black color. Okay, so a bit step ahead, let's see some more designs from online websites. Like you can see waste.ai. So you can see this color is a dark purple color, which is used over here in the brand. So let's try to investigate that. If you are in Chrome or Firefox, you can use this inspect or Q, and here we have all the different things that has been associated with this design. So let's move it down just to show you. So this is the text. So you can see this is H1, and this is the color that has been applied to it. It is basically this color. This is 1F2559. So this is actually not a black color. This is a dark purple color. Similarly, like you can see over here, it is a dull purple color. It is again a dark purple color, again a dark purple color, a dark purple. So this is just to illustrate that very minor shifts in your design. If you are a developer, or you are a beginner designer, or your product manager just testing out few ideas, try to use a darker version of your brand color, and I think that would look fantastic on your websites, on your mobile apps. Don't try to use dark black color. Anyhow, one more tip is, so if I go to Figma, and let's open the design of my daughter. So here she is designing something, and here you can see this is again not a black color. I told her the trick. She's just 10 years old, and I showed her the trick that how you can use a color based on the theme and get a darker color from that. Similarly over here, the again the same thing. Okay, so one more tip is that if you are on a white background and you really want to use a dark black color, dark black, and it is going to be your heading, let's use interpoled italic, okay, and make a bit more like 64. Okay, so here we have it. Like you can see, it really seems to, in the eyes, contrast is very high, the white background and dark black color. So if you want to do something to it, try to calm it down by going to this fill and make it 90%, or maybe 85%, something like that. So like now you can see it is a bit more kind of dark gray. And if I move it down, let's write a line over here, and I'm quickly going to change it to medium italic, and the font should size should be 20, something like that. And now I'm going to use 50%. Let's use 60%. I think 60% would be great. So the color is still readable, but you can see I'm not using pitch black color for everything. Okay, so I am using black, but 85% for this one, and you can also go to 70% for paragraphs or something like that. And let's use simple medium over here. So this is simple tip, a simple trick. If you are a developer or designer or a product manager, you can apply that in your product design, and it would turn out a great color scheme for your designs. So if you have any project in mind, if you want to ask me anything, you can contact me via my website's email and WhatsApp phone number. You can visit my website. You can contact me from there, or you can directly email me from the following emails. Okay, so we mostly provide dashboard design, web app design, UX onboarding services, a UX audit for websites, a landing page design and development, and mobile app design for better user experience. And also we provide video editing for YouTube and TikTok videos. If you don't know, I have a small team, one developer and one video editor and designer. Right now I'm a designer myself. I have few remote designers, but they mostly work whatever I suggest them to or in my supervision. Okay, so this is short story of prodesign.tech. I hope you have enjoyed this tip, and we'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.